Jay. It wasn't all plain sailing, but through in the end, so that's the main thing, isn't it?
Yeah, really tough game. We knew coming here it was going to be a tough game. They've had a great run of results recently. They're a team that are high, are playing really well, full of confidence. But so are we. We've been excellent the last few weeks, and we come into the game knowing our game plan. I thought we carried that out brilliantly for probably about 60 minutes to go 2-0 up. But I thought tonight we showed another side of our game, that when we need to dig in and we need to defend, you know, we've got lads there with big hearts who will put their head in where it hurts. I thought our back four was excellent. Ryan and Bo, just in front of them, worked their socks off as well, and we were really resolute and defended really well.
You mentioned digging in. It was obviously pleasing to see that resilience, wasn't it? Especially with a big crowd, and so you can easily wilt under that pressure, can't you? And that didn't happen tonight.
Yeah, 100% you can. It's something we spoke about in pre-season, knowing that there's going to be tough times this year when you're up against it, when teams are putting balls into your box and you're under massive amounts of pressure, and it's about having players that will stand up and put their head in again where it hurts. And we've got players that will do that. We've got players that will put their bodies on the line, block shots, head the ball out, and we're going to need that not just tonight, we're going to need that all the way through the season. So it's really pleasing. I'm absolutely buzzing for the lads, and that's an excellent win for us tonight.
Yeah, and that's now 6 wins on the spin, so it's been a great start to the season, hasn't it, overall?
It has, yeah. You know, each month we set ourselves targets, and at the moment we're hitting them targets. We've just set a new bunch of targets with the lads as we start a new month So, you know, we recover now, and then we prepare properly going into a league game next week.
Yeah, and obviously through to the next round, so it's obviously nice not just to be in the league, but to be in as many competitions as possible, isn't it?
Yeah, I think winning breeds success, and then we want to make sure that we continue that week in, week out. It doesn't matter what competition we play in, no matter what team we play against. We want to win games of football. That's what we're here to do, and I think doing that week in, week out breeds confidence in the players as well. And you know, we've got that winning mentality in the group, and we just want to make sure that flows week in, week out.